Hey everybody, really cool today. We're gonna unbox the new Traxxas Chevy K10. We've had it for a few days, but today it's available. So we're gonna unbox it, take a look at it, get in depth with it. The Chevy K10 replica takes you off-road in classic 1970s style. Bright chrome trim highlights the beautiful high gloss paint and replica decals. First thing you notice is that it's got the lift kit on it. It's an inch higher than the standard TRX4. It's a little bit longer. The body is just beautiful. The rims, really nice. But the thing that I love, they're getting away from body clips to make it even look more scale. So they have the clipless system. There's two in the front. You just reach underneath here, and two little clips, and two in the back, and it just pops right off. That makes it so nice. So much easier, and there's no holes in the body, so that really makes it nice. Okay, so I got the body off. I love that they put in the fender covers. It sure keeps it a lot cleaner in the mud. Right here you will see the high and low servo. Over here is your diff locker servos, your ESC standard XL5, and a 21 turn brushed motor. Now for the body, Traxxas offers an optional light kit where you put in the front lights, the markers, and there's buckets already there for it. So it slips right in, plugs into the receiver, you got lights. The bodies are available in two colors. There's black and there's red. And that's how fast it clips back on. It's so nice. They're available today. Come on down to either store, the Henderson or Las Vegas location. Don't forget to follow us and keep updated on the Bass Track coming soon on all our social media. We'll see you soon. Thanks.